Hey everybody, so I'm going to do a quick look at the socket drawer. I did a little more organization, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so you guys may remember that these trays, these pass-through Husky socket sets, used to be in the socket drawer, and they're no longer in the socket drawer. So I did a little organization. They used to be in this corner right here, all those three trays. I slid these trays over, and then I put these Husky trays in here. Kind of wish that they had more on the rail. You know, they didn't need to make these rails so short. You know, that's a gripe that I have for these. You know, the rails don't need to be this long if, you know, they're not gonna take up much space to me. You know, they could have cut the rail right here and made it just a little bit shorter, but it is what it is at the moment. Maybe I'll find some more of these little slides and we'll put more of these at 1/4 inch 3/8 slides on. But what I did is this tray right here is new. It's a Hansen tray. I got some Oslo tool trays in here. This is an Oslo tool tray, but these are all the pass-through sockets that were on those trays over there. So I put the 1/2 inch pass-through sockets on this one, and then I put the 1/4 inch pass-through style sockets. I think the 1/4 inch, I don't know. Well, each of these kits comes with SAE and metric. SAE metric, SAE metric. This kit is a 6-point kit, and this one was a universal kit, and this is a 6-point kit. So I put, you know, here's the universals on this one, and then the other one is the gray one over here. Move the light right here. These are all 6 points. These are universal. So I put all of the sockets in trays over here, and then I slid these over a little bit just to make it look a little nicer. And then here's, you know, I put ones that I use all the time. This drawer was full of sockets, which I have some right here. These two are extra sockets. I need to figure out where I want to put them. But all these sockets right here on this tray were in this drawer in one of these little trays. I'm sure you guys remember some of my videos opening this drawer. There was a tray in there. So I just moved all the sockets into the socket drawer. A lot of the sockets I use a lot. This 1/4 inch row here and this 1/4 inch row here. And then these right here. I just put them on rails and put them in here. Probably be easier just to put them on a single rail, which, you know, like rails like this, you know, single rails. Might make it a little more roomy instead of these, you know, 2 bank trays that don't go as, you know, they could have filled these up all the way full. You know, I don't know why they didn't. I'm sure it's for room if you put big sockets like these on there, but you know, it's just a quick look of the socket drawer, a little more organized. Just a quick little video. Battery cleaner. There's a random bit in here. But yeah, I appreciate you guys' time. Thank you for hanging out with me today. You know, I have some universal sockets here. I have a lot of 6-point sockets. A lot of impact. My impact kind of stretches all the way around. A lot of these are sizes that you can't put on some of these trays, you know, like this 32, 30, 33, another 32, you know, and then these big sockets like this one right here is a 46 millimeter. But all in all, it looks a lot better than it did. I'm glad I took these trays out. They were just wasting space. I was able to fit more in here, which is kind of nice. I have my Cornwell and Capri, my Cornwell triple squares and my Capri Allens right here. But you know, when I take these containers out and I put them on their own trays, it'll probably fix that problem as well. So there'll be more in here as soon as I remove both of these cases. But I appreciate you guys' time. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronic affiliate links. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace!